Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we will practice 30 more short English quick replies for daily conversation. Listen carefully, repeat after me and practice every day. Let's begin. What's your phone number? It's 98765. What's your phone number? It's 98765. Where do you work? I work in an office. Where do you work? I work in an office. Are you busy? Yes, a little. Are you busy? Yes, a little. Can you help me? Sure, I can. Can you help me? Sure, I can. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Do you like music? Yes, I do. Do you like music? Yes, I do. What's your favorite singer? I like Arijit Singh. What's your favorite singer? I like Arijit Singh. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Do you cook? Yes, sometimes. Do you cook? Yes, sometimes. Where are you going? I'm going home. Where are you going? I'm going home. What are you doing? I'm studying. What are you doing? I'm studying. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Can I borrow your pen? Sure. Can I borrow your pen? Sure. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Would you like some water? Yes, please. Would you like some water? Yes, please. What's the weather like? It's sunny day. What's the weather like? It's sunny day. Do you exercise? Yes, every morning. Do you exercise? Yes, every morning. What day is it today? It's Monday. What day is it today? It's Monday. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Do you have a laptop? Yes, I do. Do you have a laptop? Yes, I do. What's your favorite subject? English. What's your favorite subject? English.